In this module, we cover the e-commerce internet business model. The e-commerce business is one of the hottest trending businesses online right now because it allows access to hundreds and millions of people worldwide, making it easier to gain buyers, sales, and massive profits. Some facts about e-commerce. It will not get you riches and wealth overnight. It's not an overnight success, but it is an easy way to get sales and profits. You need to put in the hours to succeed. Next, you have more time to think about growing your business. If you want to grow your business further, you need to spend effort on marketing, advertising, and promoting your online store. You don't have to bother with shipping and management. All those tasks can be done automatically by your supplier and online store. There are 6 elements in your e-commerce model. 1. Choosing your niche. 2. Create your own brand. 3. Look for suppliers and designers. 4. Set up your online store. 5. Print on demand, POD. 6. Dropshipping. Next, you need to choose a niche for your online business. A product niche helps to establish a solid ground for your business. You can't just change from one business to another and expect your trustworthy buyers to keep up. Start selling something which you have at least a slight interest in or liking in. This is so you have the motivation to get through the days of low sales and technical issues. There are 3 ways to decide a niche. First, look up the latest trend. This method serves only as a short-term business model to earn you a quick dollar. The tools you can use to search for the newest craze are Trendosaur.com and Terapeak.com. Previously, the world was fascinated with the idea of selfie sticks. Those who managed to keep up with the selfie stick trend were earning over $50,000 selling only selfie sticks. Nowadays, it's the fidget spinner. What's next? Next is to look up any e-commerce website like Amazon and eBay and search for its best seller list. Focus on products with good reviews but with little sellers. This gives you lesser competitors, which means better opportunity to make sales. Make a spreadsheet of trending items in the last 3 to 6 months to understand market demands. The last method is to pick a niche using the following criterions. 1. Select a niche you can add value to. Adding value to your niche will set you apart from most competitors. 2. Choose a niche with passionate and desperate buyers. You're looking at demand. Where there is demand, there are buyers. 3. Products that are hard to find locally. This is a unique feature for your business. It'll be easier for customers to look for you because of your products. 4. Products that are disposable or consumable. This is so you get repeat customers. Finally, products that require a lot of accessories, or in other words, add-ons. Any product that requires back-end items are worth selling. You don't necessarily need to choose a niche that is 100% based on these criteria. Mix and match them and see which ones work out the best for you and your business. First off, I'm going to show you how you can create your own brand. A brand's like an identity for you and your business. Not only does it give you a sense of ownership, but a good brand connects to your prospects and buyers at an emotional level. Do you remember the last time you bought from your favorite brand? When you finally bought it, it made you feel happy and fulfilled, all because you got it from your favorite brand. That's the goal you want to achieve when establishing a brand connection to your customers. When you have your own brand, you are unique and interesting. One of the most distinctive advantages of having a brand is the ability to add value to everything you're selling. This is how you secure your customers' loyalty. What's more, it's easier for buyers to make your products viral because it's perceived as unique. Here are some ways to get your brand going. First, capture your own unique photos. This is so it's not the same as other stock photos. Any item you think resonates with your brand is unique on its own. Next is to hire a photographer for a professional picture. If you want to have high-quality photos of your products, this is one way to do it. Third, you can design your own logo to reflect your products and company. You can visit sites like logomaker.com or even canva.com. Both sites provide users the ability to create their own logo. From color schemes to objects used to symbolize your brand, you are free to choose whatever you want. Then you can put your brand, mission, and values on your site. The purpose of your business is important to your buyers. If what you're trying to achieve is not within their interest, they won't be so keen on buying anything from you. That's why it's best to clarify your purpose and vision. Another way to brand your business is through the color of your website. Your website should have its own distinctive design. The purpose of this is to give your online store a color identity. See how most of us remember McDonald's because of its big yellow M? Or maybe the black and white stripes of Sephora. Finally, you can give out free stuff or vouchers to your customers. Customers are more likely to buy something from you when they feel appreciated or rewarded. You can give them free stuff once they've purchased their 5th item or spend $100 in a single receipt or others of equivalent. Next, we discuss about hiring suppliers and designers. To begin looking for products, you need to be on the lookout for any white label products. White label products are items manufactured by a single company and are rebranded by another company to make it look like their own. Many giant companies practice this method. Some white label products out there range from makeup brands all the way to t-shirts. Once you've found your supplier, you need to ensure that the companies are willing to drop ship. Most of them will let you pre-purchase units if you want to keep some of them at your home office, but they will keep your products in their warehouse and fulfill your order for you. There are many suppliers out there that can provide the service for you. Some of my personal favorites are gearbubble.com and powermerch.io. Both companies will assist you on supplying and even designing your own products. There are many ways for you to hire a designer. But if you have the skills to design your own t-shirts, caps, or even bags, you can do it yourself. All you need is a good software like Photoshop or Illustrator and you're all set. However, should you prefer to outsource the job to someone else, then hiring others to do the artwork for you would be your best solution. Look for designers at Upwork.com, Fiverr.com, and even Behance.com. Any freelancing website should have freelancers who are skilled in designing clothing artwork or any others. Post a job under the niche of your product. Make sure to post a precise and concise job scope to your freelancer. Some sites even allow you to post a job to a specific freelancer. If you found the freelancer of your choice, you can invite him to do the job for you. Otherwise, you can just post the job to anyone with designing skills.